Do you need to eliminate exposed pop rivets while installing your grid systems? Armstrong's cost-effective solution is the GCWA clip, which stands for Grip Clip Wall Attachment. They come in buckets of 250 pieces. Works with all Armstrong exposed T systems, interlude and silhouette. Has a self-alignment tab that slips over the wall angle. Self-piercing barbs that penetrate the bulb to hold the grid at the desired location. Slide over the grid on a job site installation. To activate these barbs, use a pair of pliers and activate one side at a time. Just pierce through the bulb and it's holding that grid in the right location. You can also, there's a screw hole to screw if desired.